ChatGPT has rapidly grown to become one of the most popular apps in history, reaching over 100 million users in just 2 months. Released by OpenAI in November, this AI tool is already showing how artificial intelligence is going to reshape our lives. With ChatGPT, tasks that used to take hours can now be completed in minutes. If you're looking to master ChatGPT and use it to its full potential, here are some valuable tips to help you get started. The first key to mastering ChatGPT is learning how to ask the right questions. It's easy to start by typing in something basic and ChatGPT will give you an answer. But for truly detailed and useful responses, your questions need to be specific and carefully crafted. Think of it like talking to an expert in a field. If you want great advice, you need to ask great questions. Luckily, there are already plenty of pre-made prompts for almost any topic, which you can use to get a head start. These prompts work like a Mad Libs game. You can simply plug in your information and ChatGPT will respond accordingly. One of the most important tricks to get better results is to assign ChatGPT an identity. This means you should tell ChatGPT who it is supposed to be. For example, instead of just asking for a general health plan, you could say you are an expert nutritionist, health coach, and personal trainer. Use your knowledge to create a detailed meal plan and workout routine for a 34-year-old male looking to lose weight and build muscle. Giving ChatGPT an identity helps it focus on the specific field of expertise you want advice from. It makes the responses much more targeted and useful. Next, it's important to clearly define your goals. The more specific you are, the better the response you'll get. For instance, if you're looking to improve your fitness, don't just ask for a workout plan. Specify your age, gender, fitness level, and goals, whether it's building muscle, losing fat, or improving endurance. The AI will use that information to create a plan that's perfectly suited to your needs. If you have dietary restrictions or preferences, you can also include those to get an even more customized response. One of the best features of ChatGPT is its ability to remember the conversation you're having. This means you can refine your answers by giving it more information or asking for adjustments. For example, if you ask for a meal plan and realize you forgot to mention you're lactose intolerant, you can simply follow up by saying, make sure the meal plan is dairy-free. You can also ask ChatGPT to present information in a different format. If you need a shopping list, for example, you can ask it to generate one based on the meal plan it created for you. This flexibility allows you to keep refining and improving the response until it perfectly suits your needs. ChatGPT can help with a wide range of everyday tasks beyond just health and fitness. It can be incredibly useful for writing essays, emails, texts, and even tweets. You can instruct ChatGPT to write in a specific style, whether it's formal, casual, humorous, or something else. You can even feed it your own writing samples and ask it to write something in your personal style, making it perfect for drafting messages that sound just like you. Whether you need to write a professional email or a fun text to a friend, ChatGPT can handle it. When it comes to recommendations, ChatGPT can provide personalized suggestions for products, books, or even songs. Let's say you enjoyed a particular book and you're looking for something similar. Just ask ChatGPT and it will provide recommendations based on your preferences. This can save you a lot of time when you're trying to find your next favorite book, show, or gadget. ChatGPT is also an excellent tool for brainstorming. Whether you need business ideas, writing prompts, or new content for a YouTube channel, ChatGPT can generate fresh ideas on the spot. If the initial suggestions seem too generic, you can always ask for more unique or unconventional options. This feature is especially helpful if you're dealing with creative blocks or need inspiration for a new project. Another area where ChatGPT shines is simplifying complex topics. If you're dealing with a dense article, lecture, or book, you can simply paste the content into ChatGPT and ask it to summarize it for you. The AI will break it down into key points, making it easier to digest. You can even ask ChatGPT to explain a topic as if you're 5 years old, and it will simplify the information to a level that's easy to understand. This is especially useful for students or anyone trying to grasp difficult concepts. For those who code, ChatGPT can save a significant amount of time. Whether you're writing code or troubleshooting, it can help you solve problems more efficiently. It's like having a virtual coding assistant at your fingertips. You can also use it to generate recipes based on the ingredients you have on hand, create shopping lists for meal planning, or ask it any general question that you would typically Google. ChatGPT usually provides quicker and more relevant information by analyzing multiple sources and giving you the best summary. That being said, it's essential to remember that while ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool, it's not perfect. It can sometimes make mistakes or give outdated information, so always use your own judgment and fact-check important details when necessary. The AI is designed to assist, but it's still up to you to determine what's correct or appropriate for your specific situation. AI technology is here to stay, and it's advancing rapidly. Over the next 5 to 10 years, we'll see AI becoming even more integrated into our everyday lives. People who are skilled at using AI tools like ChatGPT will have a significant advantage in their personal, professional, and even romantic lives. By mastering these tools now, you're setting yourself up to be ahead of the curve in the future. So take the time to experiment with ChatGPT, refine your questions, and find creative ways to use it to save time and improve your life.